Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel 8902 that arrived, $10 on eBay. It is repaired, as you see. I've installed a diode on the motor. This is going to be its first trip around the rail, pulling 8 Lionel cars, running on AC. Let's see how this goes. As you see, there's 50% power, pulling 8 Lionel cars with no problem at all. Good bright headlight, good constant speed all the way around the rail. Now I'm going to change those diodes when I get some decent ones. It was just an expedient just to get this thing running. Anyway, DC locomotive. You can get these things a third of the cost of a standard AC locomotive. And it only takes a minute to convert them to run on AC. Once you convert them, it'll run on either. It'll run on AC or DC. But as you see, $10 on eBay, free shipping. Shipping was $7, according to the label. So I paid about $3 for this locomotive. You know, as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. Don't overlook the DC locomotives. You can get these things dirt cheap. You know, because no one wants a DC locomotive because they run on DC. Very few AC or very few full-size layouts run on DC. Anyway, you can run them on AC just by adding that simple diode. You can just add the diode directly to the lock-on the track. That way you don't have to change anything. I had thought of making a magnetic lock-on with diodes installed in it. That way you can just use a magnetic lock-on for DC. Anyway, just want to do a follow-up video. This 8902 is running splendidly, as you see. It's intact. It's missing the bell. But, like I said, $10 on eBay, so technically the locomotive was about $3. And it's running absolutely perfectly. No problem at all. I will put a better diode in it. I have to order some. But it's up and running, as you see. So, just wanted to do a follow-up video on this. This thing was in really, really decent shape before it got damaged in shipping. So, in any case, 8902, $10 on eBay. Don't overlook the DC locomotives. 10 minutes. You can pull the motor out, add that diode, run it on a standard AC layout. So, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.